Okay. Yes. First of all, thank you for all coming over to the official opening and blessing of Mia Sports Center. We're happy to have opened this facility, which is accessible to everyone po. So there's no membership for Mia Sports. Player, coaches, first-timers who wants to experience volleyball, badminton, or pickleball, we encourage them to be here. Our vision for this one is to really have a very an elite training facility in the area to really help the kids to do something other than education, and to also guide them when growing up. No? Because we believe sports is a very good teacher for everyone, right? So again, thank you for coming over. I would also, before we end, I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of Sir Tony Boy, who is the president of the PNVF. I'd like also to thank you, Sina Coach Dex and Sina Sir Ogie, for trusting and for partnering with Mia Sports Center, for choosing this venue as a potential, as a venue for their camp. No? Again, malaking bagay po ito as it really enforces our vision on having an elite training center. So again, maraming salamat po. Thank you also to our partners, Sina Sports 360, Sina Maya po is also a part of ours. So yun po, maraming salamat po again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Melvin.